going on, everybody? Welcome back to TJ's RC Garage, and today we're going to talk about LOS, or line of sight flying. It can be drones, quadcopters, planes, whatever line of sight. I previously did a video on what is FPV. Go check that out. I don't know, one of these sites is going to pop. And today we're going to talk about LOS, line of sight. So first thing, you know it, the intro. There you go, please. Bam! That's too good. Okay, so LOS, or line of sight. 3 words, line of sight, LOS. Simple. Line of sight, and don't forget FPV, first person view, line of sight. LOS, line of sight. Okay. So what basically LOS is, let me grab the transmitter. You fly without your goggles. You don't need those antennas and all those crazy stuff. You just stand and you just fly. That's it. No goggles. You don't get the live feed from your drone or quadcopter, whatever you're flying or thing. So that's just what LOS is. I don't think there's anything else. And yes, while flying LOS, you can have a camera, but like a good action camera. I don't know why mine is. Never mind. Like a good action camera, like a GoPro or a Insta360, just to record your footage. Or you can fly a drone with a camera like a DJI or a Parrot or whatever drone which has a 4K camera. You can fly that. All that is LOS flying, line of sight flying. FPV is the goggles. If you don't know what FPV is, yep, down somewhere I'm gonna link it. Yep, that is basically what LOS is. Do check out that video obviously, and give me a like for this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel. That's it, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay tuned and